Chicken and shrimp dumplings. Prep time 1 hour. Cook time 10 minutes. Yield 80 to 90. Description: easy to make chicken and shrimp dumplings can be steamed, boiled, or fried and served with a side of soy sauce for dipping. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, diced into 1-inch cubes. 1 pound shrimp, peeled, deveined and diced. 1 bunch of Chinese chives or garlic chives, loosely chopped. 4 cloves garlic, halved. 3 tablespoons ginger, chopped. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 80 to 90 round dumpling wrappers. Instructions: combine chicken, shrimp, chives, ginger, garlic, soy sauce and sesame oil in a food processor. Process on low for about 30 seconds until mixture is chopped finely. Scoop a spoonful of the mixture into the center of a dumpling wrapper. Dip your finger in water and smear along the edges of the dumpling wrapper. Bring the edges up, enclosing the filling, and pleat the side together into a little bag to seal the mixture inside. Repeat until all the mixture is used up. Pan fry in a large skillet, heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Add dumplings and cook 2 to 3 minutes until bottom is crisp and golden. Add water enough to cover the dumplings halfway up, cover, and steam the dumplings for about 5 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Steam in a pot, bring water to boil. Place dumplings in steamer on top and steam for 15 to 20 minutes until tender. Boil: fill a large pot with 2/3 water and bring to a boil. Add dumplings and cook until they float and continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat with remaining dumplings or store in the freezer. Notes: you can also fold the dumplings into a half-moon shape and pinch the edges with a fork to seal. If not serving dumplings immediately, store in the freezer. Place dumplings on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and freeze for 1 hour. Then transfer dumplings into Ziploc bags or container for storing. Use as desired.